Hello everyone, and today we'll be making this origami box. As you can see, it's a pretty cool round container with 4 compartments. So we start with our regular square sheet of paper and we fold it into halves. And then fold it in half that way. Now we're gonna fold it diagonally, also both ways. After that, we're gonna fold all the 4 corners towards the center point, and the center point is gonna be where all the lines or all the creases that we just made meet. So just folding them to the center like that. And then we're gonna fold the corners back towards the side, like this, on all 4 sides. And make sure that the corner is folded towards the point where this edge meets the side of the square, so it's perfectly centered. And the final one. Okay. Now you're gonna flip your model and fold the sides towards the center. So we're gonna fold the bottom towards the center line, like that. And then we'll repeat on all 4 sides. Okay, now you're gonna flip the model again. And now comes the tricky part. You're gonna pinch the corners of the model, like that. And as you do that, you're gonna form that shape. So as you can see, we're folding along those lines. Pinching the corners, so it kind of looks like that. Okay, and now you're gonna push the center inside. So push, and then push the sides up, inside and up, so it looks something like that. Again, what we just did is we pinched the 4 corners and then push the center inside and the sides, pushing them up. Then it should look something like that. I'm gonna flatten it Now you're gonna fold the corners to the center, only one layer at a time. So 1, 2, flip the model, repeat. Now you're gonna unfold the 4 corners, and you're gonna lift one layer of paper and push the corner to the inside, like that. So open and push inside, and repeat on with all the 4 flaps. Lift and push on to the inside. Lift and push. Okay. So now we're almost done here. Now what you're gonna do is place your model like that, and you're gonna open every single of the 4 compartments. So just open them like that, and as you do that, you're gonna push the bottom so it becomes flat, like that. As you can see, it looks kind of like has a round shape now. So we're gonna do this with all 4 compartments, and it's easier to do them the opposite sides first. So we do the first one here, then we do the second one here. Open, push at the bottom with your finger. You can kind of shape it. You can make it more round or smaller depending on how you want it. Now this one, open and push from the bottom, and the final one, open and push. So as you can see, it doesn't look completely round. So what you can do now is sort of from the bottom, push it a little bit more, all the 4 compartments, so they're more open. Same thing here. Make it flat. Okay, so also shape it here. So this is your origami box ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave your comments below, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you guys next time.